Hello and welcome. I hope it's not so loud because it's raining. I will show a little bit how to use this state stuff. And that's why I got this kind of navigation bar, and I want some drop-down menu that opens here to give some, for example, 1 point more sub-menu stuff. So first of all, I created visual. Um, with an drop-down icon. I already searched one. Maybe this a little bit too big, but that's not a problem. I take care that it is in the desktop menu. I just created a desktop menu because um, I don't want to do much work. I make it a little bit smaller, and now it's there. It's just as an example, so it's not that pretty. So for that all, we got the page with the navigation bar and we got the component. We're working for now in the component. Um, First of all, we'll create a new container in our navbar. Here's one more. And this will be the submenu. A little bit larger. Just to make clear that the submenu, I enter some text and make it in the middle and call it. I can't click it anymore. Interesting. I could change it here. Oh, whoopsie. I could change it here in the properties. Here's much stuff I didn't use. I don't know. I got some unused components here because I some unused props. Maybe they're here. Text. Give it a small name. So this exists, but as you can see, it's appeared here. And now we come to the states. We'll create a state, a very simple. We got 3 types: Boolean, number, string. Boolean can just make true or false. Number can create more stuff, so that means that the number is true. Also you can give some more items, like every of this one a number, and if the number is correct, or you can use some other mathematical stuff, like the number is not correct or something like that, then something happened with the element with the particular number. So you can make more complex stuff. But for this example, we just need this Boolean and select the default state. The default state of, I don't call it is visible, I call it now drop down nav, so I can remember what it is. And it's the default value is false. Now it's created, and we got two values: the default value, which in the published version, and the internal value. The internal value is what you can see in the editor. And now I can use this wall container, enable conditional rendering, and can bind about the property panel, the state, drop down nav, and bind it. Now it's bind. Now I can pick something or use other of this mathematical stuff. For Boolean, it just makes sense to use it's true or false. And I want that the menu is shown when drop-down nav is true. Now I can toggle this, the internal value, and voila, it's there. now I need to configure the event that change this value, and that would be this drop-down icon. So I have to go onto events, can change the action, a click would be logical, and I can change state modifiers. If I click here, I get some suggestions, and that because I just got only 1 point, that's a correct one, and I can make it easy with toggling. So this icon will toggle this state and enables and disables this menu. I have to press on add event. Now on the publish, it would be changed this value. I can also change from this side. I can't change it. And the component state, I could make turn it on and off just to show that it would be work correct in on the page view, that the navbar sticked to the viewport's top. I can also do. I can't do this because that won't record my window. But as you can see, this would be a solution for this problem.